Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hey, good evening. Good evening, everyone. So one, two,
Good evening, ma'am.
one, two, one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we'll just start in 2 to 3 minutes. Let's everyone arrive. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, great. किरणदीप और नेहा ने अभी इनेबल नहीं करा है. Okay, everyone is present, so we are good to start now. Chalo. Good evening, everyone, again, and I hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, great. So let's start. So we will be starting with our favorite module क्योंकि आप लोग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, so I feel that speaking is the favorite module for all. Writing
Yes,
is
ma'am.
so let's just enjoy. तो हम पहले speaking से करेंगे. This is a topic. What we'll do, we'll have introductory questions first, ठीक है? And then we'll see ki what we can do. But meanwhile, rest will be like, okay, cool. This is a topic. तो जब तक मैं बाकियों की introductions ले रही हूँ, rest will prepare the topic card, ठीक है? Prachi is there. She's not there yet. Then Ishita, unmute हो जाइए जी.
Yes, ma'am.
The first question, do you plant trees?
I like plants, but I'm not fond of planting trees. Like we have a few plants at our place, but not many.
Okay, do you plant trees during your birthdays or something?
No, I don't plant trees on my birthday.
Come on, क्या हो गया? Answer करो. One word answers नहीं, पूरे.
Can we start once again from the
Yeah.
starting?
All right.
Okay.
Do you like planting trees?
Yes, I like to plant trees. And I'm very fond of plants because I love the greenery around me.
Okay. Do you plant trees during your birthdays?
Not on my birthdays, but yes, I do plant trees in the starting of the year or on some festival. Like during Holi or Diwali, I usually plant trees. Not many, maybe a sapling or two, but I love to take care of it.
Okay. How did you learn like gardening and all? Do you have the knowledge of gardening? And if so, how did you learn that?
Uh, I have a very minimum knowledge about gardening. I have only seen my grandfather and my grandmother do it. So I just help them when they plant trees. I assist them in a way. I don't do the work myself, like digging and planting the sapling, because it needs to be done with a lot of care. So I help my grandparents.
Great. Now tell me, what are the popular trees in your country?
Okay, the most popular tree in our country, or if I see around me in our society, the most popular tree is the neem tree, and it has got many functions, many advantages. Being a tree, obviously, it provides fresh air, and also it has herbal advantages as well. So the most popular tree that I see around me, one of them is neem tree, then Ashoka tree, banyan tree, and that's it.
Okay, fine. You can mute. Next. प्राची unmute हो जाइए.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, let's talk about snacks. Do you like to have snacks in between your meal?
Ma'am, snack?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I love snacks in between my meals. As according to me, I love snacks more than the meal. I love the taste and the crispiness of the snacks.
Okay, what are the some of the healthy snacks option according to you?
Ma'am, some of the healthy snacks options are oats that everyone should eat in order to stay healthy, and also it is very tasty and also very healthy for our body.
Do you watch mirrors before you go out of your home?
Yes, ma'am. I often watch mirror as in order to set my hair. Like before going outside, I often set my hair in front of the mirror.
Are there a lot of mirrors in your home? In your home?
No, ma'am. There are not a lot of mirror in my home. I just have one mirror in my room, which I use in order to make over myself or to set my hair.
Do the can you see the mirror as used for decoration purposes too?
Uh, yes, ma'am. Mirror can be decorated by many ways by putting lights on the side of the mirror as it looks very attractive, and uh, it uh, it also gives a nice look to the room as well.
Okay. Now tell me, is it like, do the people use a mirror as a jewelry or fashion accessories too?
Yes, ma'am. Mirrors can be used as an accessory, like in some necklace, small mirrors have been used in order, like when the light reflects on on that mirror, it looks very beautiful and attractive.
Okay. Do you buy any clothing item before trying it, or do you try your items and see yourself in mirror before you buy them?
I always try an item before buying it, as it is very necessary to try an item and see how, see whether it suits you or not. So that's why I always try an item before buying it.
All right, Deepika, unmute yourself. Prachi, you can mute and prepare the topic card.
Yes,
Deepika, unmute.
Ma'am, the topic is not visible to me. On my screen only when your English logo is appearing. I don't.
Oh dear. I'm just taking introductory questions, so don't worry. Once the intro is over, you can just log out and log in again. All right. So, are you interested in fashion and clothes?
Yes, I'm very much interested in fashion and clothes. But according to me, the fashion means the uh, attire which is comfortable. So, according to me, the fashion means the any clothes which suits me the best, which suits my personality.
Okay. The next question is, थोड़ा सा confidence होके बोलो, इतना फिर collect मत करो. Do you have a lot of nice clothes?
Yes, my wardrobe is full of beautiful collections, like all different varieties I have, uh, varying from the this Western clothes to the ethnic wear. So I have very wide range of collection of clothes in my
What kind of
wardrobe.
clothes? What kind of clothes do you usually wear?
Since I'm an Indian lady, so I prefer to wear ethnic wears like in my country, salwar kameez, salwar suit, and saris are the most trending clothes. So I have this collection more.
Would you say that the clothes are expensive in your country?
No, I don't feel so that clothes are very much expensive. Like they are available in all the range, depending upon the affordability of the people surrounding me. Like you, um, they are available in wide range. I don't feel that they are, all the clothes which are available in the market are expensive. So every people can easily
do you
afford
like
them.
to wear fashionable clothes?
Yes, I always prefer to wear the clothes which are in trend. Like there are various shopping sites through which I can come across what types of clothes are in the market.
How often do you go for shopping?
Nowadays, so it's a COVID-19 situation. I'm not getting the chance to go to the market to buy the clothes, but window shopping I'm doing very often.
That's
So
online shopping, not window shopping. Window
online.
shopping is when you go, watch, and come back. You don't buy anything, right? But we
Okay.
are doing online shopping these days more. Okay, cool. You can mute. Acha. Deepika done, Ishita done, Neha done. Harjinder, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harjinder, answer कीजिए. Do you recycle?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you recycle? Recycling.
Yes, yes. I have recycled. Yes, ma'am. I have recycled many things, like paper, like paper and a plastic bottle. When I'm free, I like to do the recycle the old things and make the decorate things.
Okay. Do you like meeting new people?
Done, ma'am.
Do you like meeting new people?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I like to meet the new people because when we are meet the new people, we have gained lots of experience about the people about the people and its nature. That's why I like to meet the new people.
Okay. Now tell me, how do you feel when people welcome you?
Okay, when people welcome me, I'm feeling very happy. Um, because that is the one best thing in our country. When we go somewhere, if people is attending happily, welcome happily, we can feel very happy.
Okay. Do you change your opinion frequently?
Honestly, I'm not changing the any
I do not.
opinion. I did not
Do
I did
not.
not change. I do not change the any opinion frequently, because because one schedule is only my one schedule, which I am so comfortable. That's comfortable.
Okay. You can mute. Harjinder, Tina, you're left, right? You can unmute. No issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tina. Are you good in telling jokes?
In?
Jokes. Okay, Neha. Okay, got it. Are you good in telling jokes?
Yes, I'm good in telling jokes. I'm a person who easily influence the peoples by my jokes. I often smile at the others so that the others can also smile. I just, I have the others to get happy at a moment.
Okay, so you do not actually influence people. It is actually that you make others laugh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are quite humorous. When we make people laugh, we call it as humorous.
Quite so much.
Okay,
I
one
can
of my
eat.
student got result today. She got
Yes, ma'am, I
9.
also.
You got your result? Plus
Yes,
2?
how much you got?
94.3.
Yes, ma'am, I got 94.
And one of my students, she was from ICSC last. I think she got result. She was, second scorer in Ludhiana
Oh,
Commerce.
nice.
Second in district, and she was being like IELTS with me. And one of student from IELTS got result today. She had last to last Saturday exam. She got 9 in listening, 8.5 in reading, 7.5, 7.5 in listening and writing. And she was like, उसके एग्जाम में इतना अच्छा था ना, she just on the same day I called कि ना मैम पार्टी के लिए तैयार हो जाना, and again she called, मैम मेरे तो 8 बैंड आ गए. I was like seriously, and she was yes.
Somehow we can get more than 7 in speaking.
How can we get?
More than 7 in speaking.
She got 7.5, but I never used to give her more than 6 because she used to take a lot of hiccups in between. And she was very like, अगर वो बीच में चुप हो जाती थी तो फिर वो सारा खराब कर देती थी. But उस दिन उसका सब अच्छा गया. तो she said कि ठीक है मेरे आ जाने मैम, टेंशन ना लो. And she got all nice bands.
Wow.
Ma'am,
I also hope for the best, Ram.
She was like damn intelligent, I guess. 9 in, like it's quite easy. Not easy, getting 9 in everything. Happy.
ma'am,
Yes.
I got my
Speaking
test date
slot?
of speaking.
Okay, that
Yes,
must
ma'am.
be.
It's
Okay, when it is? Prachi, you're breaking. Prachi, break कर रहे हो बच्चा. Break कर रहे हो. Okay. टीना continue कीजिए. प्राची जब तक आ रही है.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do your friends like to tell jokes?
Ma'am, I'm not getting your question.
Do your friends also like to crack jokes? Just like you are good in telling jokes. So, are your friends also good in telling jokes?
Yes, my friends are just same as me. They are also very humorous. They can easily convert the mood of a sad person in a happy mood. They can just do it in a few seconds only, and they are very talkative and make others also talk frequently.
All right, great. Now tell me, do you like shopping?
Yes, I am a shopaholic person and I really like shopping. Well, I just use the different kinds of brands and go for shopping in
Crazily?
once a month.
All right. Okay. Do you compare the prices of goods before buying it?
No, I don't like to compare the prices of the goods because the person is just doing the hard work for their profit also. So don't want them to lose their profit. So I just to give the same amount of money as they ask for them.
So don't. Okay, fair. Mute कीजिए. नेहा mute हो जाइए.
Yes, ma'am.
Neha will be talking about insects, right? Do you like insects?
Well, to be perfectly honest, no. I just feel irritating whenever I see because sometimes whenever I see the cockroach, I have a great fear from it.
Okay. Are there many different insects where you live?
Well, perfectly honest, no, because there are because in my society where I live, the precautions by the security and the uh, uh, sorry, ma'am.
Again, are there many?
Yes, ma'am.
Are there many insects in place where you live?
No, because the security and because the society owner are very disciplinary for these kind of reasons, so they always take the precautions from it.
Okay, mute. Who left?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
ma'am, I have my speaking slot on 12th August.
Timing आप बता रहे हो?
नहीं मैम, डेट 12 अगस्त.
हाँ बहुत टाइम है यार. अब
हाँ जी मैम. मैम मेरी
आपके स्पीकिंग आराम से आ जाओ. अच्छे स्कोर आने, डोंट वरी.
हाँ जी मैम, जो मेरी बाकी के मॉड्यूल्स है तीनों वो 7th को है, तो मैम 7th के बाद मैं क्लास टेस्ट सिर्फ स्पीकिंग के लिए लगाया करूँ ना?
हाँ ठीक है, ऐसे कर लेना.
हाँ जी मैम.
Who left for introductory questions?
Excuse me, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening, Gurpratap.
Ma'am, you sent the message in the chat
Group.
box for me.
I forwarded a task one in the group. Just do that one.
Ma'am, can I give the speaking because today is my last day?
तो आज स्पीकिंग क्यों देना? स्पीकिंग तो हो गई तेरी.
No, ma'am. Only just for 2 questions
Lol.
because I think I will miss that classes.
All right. Do you use perfume?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you use perfume?
Definitely yes, because it provides a really unique fragrance and it is also the integral part of our dressing sense. So I always use perfume in my daily routine.
Do you prefer to use pen or pencil?
Definitely yes, according to the situation, because both are playing a pivotal role in our daily routine, because we always write down lots of things in daily routine. So I always prefer both according to their need.
According to my need, not their needs. Okay.
Okay.
When was the last time when you bought pen or pencil for yourself?
Just 2 hours. Sorry, ma'am. Well, I often get lots of pencil as well as pen in my daily routine, but I last bought it from market yesterday because tomorrow will be my test, so that's why I purchased it from market.
Okay, fine. Okay, you
Thank
can
you.
mute. Good. Okay, anyone else who is there to speak? जिसका introduction रह गया?
मैम जी मैं रह गई।
किरणदीप ने तो अपनी कहानी सुनानी है. पूछूंगी मैं कुछ भी बताना तो इसने वही है जो इसको दिल करेगा. Do you like text messages?
Yes, I like text message. I like text message on the WhatsApp.
बस कॉपी करना है मेरे को. Are you interested in sports? Yes, I'm
Sports?
interested in sports.
Yes, I am. I am interested in sports. I interested in sports on the cricket. I like इधर पढ़ा दे. I like the cricket.
ठीक है. I will be switching to the reading. किरणदीप मैं आपकी दोबारा से लूंगी स्पीकिंग. ठीक है. अभी हम रीडिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं. 8:30 हो गया.
ठीक.
Next speaking topic.
स्पीकिंग टॉपिक इसके बाद.
Okay.
जब लास्ट में हमारा टाइम आएगा ना तब. अभी ये करते हैं, रीडिंग करते हैं. So this is the first slide 1 to 7. चलिए स्टार्ट कीजिए.
Then, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Is it done for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's find the answer.
All correct, ma'am.
Ma'am, first and seventh.
Wrong, ma'am.
Ma'am, sixth one.
Can we discuss like later on?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Do the second one. Is it done? The second part?
Yes.
All right. Let's check the answer for the second and then we'll see the doubts for the first and second both. Is it checked?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
पहले हम फर्स्ट सेक्शन का डाउट देख लेते हैं 1 to 7. आराध्या 1 to 7. What is the doubt?
Ma'am, first and seventh.
Okay, the room has 2 beds. कितने beds हैं जी room में? 2 beds. So let's find out room and the beds. Number of beds. Okay, fine. Or double bed. Does it confuse you?
Yes, ma'am. I know. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
It has only 1 bed. Fine. Okay, what was the next doubt?
Seven.
Second one?
Seventh, ma'am.
7. Sasa has never had a roommate from Canada. We don't know. उसके roommate के बारे में कभी नहीं दिया, कुछ नहीं दिया है. She is from Canada. या ये दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे लिखा है कि that said we are certainly interested in living with Canadians. ठीक है, हमारा इंटरेस्ट तो है,
Yes.
बट अब हमारा कोई रहा है कि नहीं रहा है क्या पता.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, fourth.
ओके, ओपन एयर, यहाँ पे देखो मिला.
Where is your cursor? I'm not able to find the cursor.
No, I didn't show. I just said that if you are not being too disturbed, who likes to be quiet, I'm just showing the answers for that.
Okay.
So people shouldn't disturb you अगर ये इसका डाउट है तो. Questions are always in the sequence. तो अब आपका इसका आंसर इसके ऊपर होगा. ओपन ईयर देखो, आउटडोर्स देखो मिला.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, any more doubt? 1 to 7.
6-1.
Okay, Sasha thinks her apartment is best for Toronto. No, कहीं भी नहीं दिया है कि उसका apartment best है, worst है, कहीं पे नहीं है.
Best part of Toronto बोला मैम, फिर इसमें स्टेटमेंट दे रखी it's a great neighborhood, lots of character and plenty to do.
See, her apartment is in the best part of the Toronto. ठीक है, best का मतलब क्या होता है? सबसे अच्छा. Comparisons है कहीं पे भी? इसलिए क्या लिखा है, उसने बोला कि उसका नेबरहुड जो उसके पड़ोसी हैं वो बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे कैरेक्टर के लोग हैं एंड बहुत सारी चीजें करने को है, बट बाकी सब एरिया से ये बेहतर है, वर्स्ट है या बाकी सबसे अच्छा है, ये कंपैरिजन तो कहीं नहीं बता रही है वो.
Okay.
सो हाफ इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी ट्रू या नॉट गिवन.
Not given.
ओके, सो 1 to 7 में और कोई डाउट?
No, ma'am.
सेकेंड पार्ट में okay, any doubt in this part 8 to 14?
Ma'am, 11, 13.
9th and 13 दोनों same
Okay,
same से थे.
Let's go one by one. पहले 9 देख ले. Okay, 9 कह रहा है कि you have to pay if you want this app to suggest where you can go. ठीक है, तो it is a paid अगर आपको इसकी navigations use करनी है. Fine है. D part में आ जाओ, GPS है.
Yes ma'am.
तो यहाँ पे हमें there are plenty of running smartphone FastTrack and although you naturally get more features if you pay. मिला? मिल गया?
Yes ma'am.
और यहाँ पे अगर अभी भी नहीं क्लियर है तो लास्ट में है you can add possible routes. किसके साथ? प्रो वर्जन के साथ।
प्रोवर्जन। मुझे इसमें कंफ्यूजन, इसकी वजह से मेरा ये 9 और 13 इंटरकनेक्टेड थे, मतलब सेम सेम स्टेटमेंट था।
तो यहाँ पे तो रिपीटेड है ना, तो
तो
कोई
पहले मैंने इसको 9th वाले को पहले डी किया, फिर सी कर दिया। ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट सेम सेम से लगी मुझे।
ओके, आगे देखो और कोई डाउट? 10 ठीक है।
मैम 11
देखो, यू डू नॉट हैव टू पे फॉर एनी ऑफ द फीचर्स इन दैट, एकदम फ्री है। ए पार्ट में आ जाओ। ऑल द फीचर्स इन वन फ्री ऐप। क्लियर है?
यस मैम।
ओके फाइन। और कुछ?
मैम 13
You can get idea about where to go from other people. दूसरे भी लोगों की तुम्हें यहाँ पे सजेशंस आएंगे। सो 13 सी पार्ट में देखो। मिला? Did you find?
एक डाउट था मैम,
हाँ जी।
अगर जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि एन बी, मतलब हम एक पॉइंट को एक ऑप्शन को 2 बार यूज कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
समटाइम्स ऐसे हो सकता है अगर ए टू उन्होंने डी तक ऑप्शंस दिए हैं बट एन बी लिखा है, आंसर में कहीं भी एन बी यूज नहीं, मतलब एक पॉइंट को 2 बार यूज नहीं किया जा सकता।
पॉसिबल है, पॉसिबल है।
ओके, मतलब कंफ्यूज करने के लिए वो लिख सकते हैं एन बी।
देखो, जहाँ पे एनबी लिखा है वहां पे रिपीट की चांसेस है, पर जहाँ पे एनबी नहीं है वहां पे रिपीट नहीं होगा।
ओके, बिकॉज एक बार मैंने रीडिंग की थी उसमें एनबी लिखा था बट आंसर में कहीं भी रिपीट नहीं किया गया था।
तो यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे साफ साफ लिखा है मे, मस्ट
Yes.
तो यूज नहीं है, तो मे इज जस्ट अ पॉसिबिलिटी, तो हो सकती है।
थैंक
चलिए, और कोई डाउट है इसमें 8 to 14 के बीच में?
नो मैम।
Cool. Let's go to the next part then.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, what's doubtful in this? हाँ जी, doubtful क्या है? Am I audible? Question number
Yes.
15 to 20. Anything which is doubtful?
No, ma'am.
No.
Next.
गुरप्रताप शेयर कर दो ग्रुप में, चेक कर लेते हैं अभी के. Okay, so this is the last. Check, share करो. ओके गुरप्रताप आप हो यहाँ पे तो वी कैन चेक। पहले तो ये बिल्कुल भी क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को कि मैं पढ़ पाऊँ। अंधेरे में फोटो खींची है। द पाई चार्ट, कितने पाई चार्ट हैं? एक है, तो इलस्ट्रेट्स लगेगा। अबाउट द, क्या लिखा है?
Ma'am, give me a second. I click again it. Sorry for that.
I'm deleting this one.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, we got to wait for a while.
Ma'am, that the pie chart you have shared in the group, we have to do that.
This one actually he was supposed to do speaking. That's the reason I shared. We do have task 2 today. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna display that. First, let's check the answer. Is it done for all? Is it? Okay, Gurpratap, jaldi send karo. Is it done for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Check karte answers. Okay, Gurpratap. The pie chart illustrates hoga about the working destination of host. I don't know what is that. Anthropology likha hai shayad, graduation from university, while the table chart depicts about the ratio of income of that क्यों यूज किया है, of the same करो projects of their, okay, overall the highest space होना चाहिए, the highest preferred की स्पेलिंग गलत है, डबल RED, फुल टाइम के बीच में हाइफन होगा, however the lowest learner were attracted होगा, passive है तो were लगेगा, were attracted to part-time work and the post-study section, whereas greatest salary was collected by the government sector from others, and in lowest and nahi but in the lowest category freelance consultants and government sector are similar. ये last की line clear नहीं है. अभी आपने बोला गवर्नमेंट मैक्सिमम है, फिर आपने बोल दिया सिमिलर है, लोएस्ट भी है और सिमिलर भी है, तो दैट इज नॉट क्लियर वन. Taking a closer view, it is conspicuous that anthropology mentees were big fan of full time work. ये big fan थोड़ा सा informal है, ये speaking के लिए ठीक है, writing के लिए नहीं. Were more interested या were more employed in full time work. Employed है, they are working, so it is employed. तुम सुन भी रहे हो गुरप्रताप? That's so bad. I'm just
Yes,
talking.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, फिर ठीक है. So were employed in full time work. That's slightly above half percentage. What is half percentage? यानी कि 0.5 या 52. So percentage नहीं लगाइए, half. That was half of entire proportion. of entire proportion. जितना 100 था उसका हाफ से ज्यादा. Moreover, full time postgraduate study had chosen, choose नहीं होता, chosen, was chosen by 8% graduate, which was equal to the part proportion of होगा not known and almost 3% higher than the post part time. Hyphen लगाते रहिए वो section. Furthermore के बाद comma, part time के बाद miss again hyphen. Work and unemployment activity was hardly over 10%. 2 क्यों लगाया? Over already sufficient है. Turning to the data of table, salaries of anthropology students after 5 years are divided in 4 parts. In first 4 K sector and are similar. That इसके आगे भी है कुछ? इसके आगे भी कुछ है? Are half of private companies. In next group, okay, again private companies paid almost double of the remaining. Both was 35. Both was 35 क्यों है? जब double है तो at last salary rate given by, word given by, helping को missing है. जब भी passive use कर रहे हो तो करो. sector 30%. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा लेंदी हो गया है.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, also I don't get the main point of the table, because the percentage of that table, what they represent, that the company gave the salary to employee or profit, what they want to say.
That is salaries obviously. Salary लिखा है, profit क्यों देंगे?
Ma'am, in the government sector, they 5% of total gain the salary, or 5% what represent the of the category of if they describe on the top that category from to 25,000 to 50,000. So below that they show the 5%. So what is the meaning of 5%?
That is again salary itself. मैं आपको सैंपल फॉरवर्ड कर रही हूँ इसका. जब तक मैं इनको राइटिंग करा रही हूँ, आप इसको एक बार रीड करो.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Just 1 second. Okay. So you guys can just count your total scorecards कितने हैं? Out of 27.
26.
24.
Okay.
I'm 20.
मैम मेरी ये ब्लैंक्स वाले तो ठीक होते हैं, लेकिन ये जो पैराग्राफ्स में से चूज करना होता है ना, पैराग्राफ लेबलिंग वाले, वो गलत हो जाते हैं.
Yes,
same
ma'am,
is
my
same is the case with the listing. वो पैराग्राफ मैचिंग वाला होता है ना.
पैराग्राफ में मैचिंग जैसा क्या होता है इसमें? That is the location tracking, my dear. Right? Which paragraph contains the following information, right? ये वो क्वेश्चन टाइप है. और आपको इसके लिए क्या बताया है कि आप ये सिंपल ये वाला क्वेश्चन टाइप आप कीजिए. आपने करा इसको ट्राई? जब मुझे पता है मेरी हेडिंग्स गलत हो रही हैं या मेरा ये गलत हो रहा है, तो आपने वो क्वेश्चन टाइप करना है. अगर उसका एक्सरसाइज नहीं मिल रहा है, यू कैन जस्ट टॉक टू मी और यू कैन जस्ट टेक्स्ट मी. आई विल सेंड यू द लिंक फॉर द एक्सरसाइज.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. तो मुझे पिंग किया करो तो मैं आपको भेजूंगी। चलो आ जाओ, अब करते हैं राइटिंग। राइटिंग है आज की इजी। We won't be like spending a lot more time. So this is the topic. Come on, we all do bicycling. चलाते हैं साइकिल हम सभी। So
Yes,
question
ma'am.
simple है बहुत ज़्यादा कि bicycle जो है a good means of transportation है. Other says that it has a clear disadvantage. तो आपको simple इसका advantage and disadvantage discuss करना है. Way more simple. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले मुझे बताइए कि एडवांटेजेस क्या क्या हो सकते हैं बाइसिकल के अगर आप राइड कर रहे हो, आपको भी और इन्वायरमेंट को भी और गवर्नमेंट को भी।
Okay, so it takes care of the pollution levels. Like it reduces the pollution levels.
Fair. Reduces the pollution level. That means it is environment friendly, right?
Yes. Yes.
Pocket friendly as well.
Pocket friendly as well. So हम environment friendly, और इसमें हम करेंगे कि कोई भी फॉसिल फ्यूल नहीं यूज होता है, तो ये हार्मफुल गैसेस नहीं एमिट करती है, और इस तरह से दिस इज अ क्लीन एंड ग्रीन मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट। ये और क्या करेगा, रिड्यूस करेगा क्या, द बर्डन फ्रॉम द फॉसिल फ्यूल, है ना, जो कि ऑलरेडी बहुत ही लिमिटेड है, और जिस तरह से हम उसको एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सटिंक्ट होने वाला है। तो ये भी हम जितना ज़्यादा इसको यूज़ करेंगे फॉसिल फ्यूल का यूज़ कम हो जाएगा, और ये सही है हमारे लिए। गवर्नमेंट को भी आप देखते हो कितनी ज़्यादा सब्सिडी देनी पड़ती है हमें, तो ये भी हो सकता है। बट हाँ, पॉकेट फ्रेंडली वाला जो आपने बताया तो वो हमें ठीक लग रहा है। इनएक्सपेंसिव है, कार या बाकी व्हीकल्स की तरह इसको हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मेंटेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट इसमें जो एयर लगता है वो भी आपको फ्री मिल जाते हैं बहुत जगह पे। सो इट इज़ एक्चुअली, इसको परचेज करना भी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है, प्लस इसको मेंटेन करना भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, आपको ना रोड टैक्स भरना पड़ेगा, यू नो, यू डोंट नीड इवन इंश्योरेंस एंड ऑल्सो मेंटेनेंस एंड परचेजिंग इज़ वेरी लो एज कम्पेयर टू अदर व्हीकल्स, ठीक है।
Less
और
chance.
हाँ जी,
Ma'am, less chance of obesity.
तो हेल्थ
Health.
बेनिफिट्स, हम
Yes,
इसको
ma'am.
हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स या रिड्यूसेस द चांसेस ऑफ डिजीज कर देते हैं, जैसे आपको ठीक लगे। ओके, और कुछ फायदा लग रहा है आपको? अब इसमें आप ओबेसिटी, कार्डियोवास्कुलर डिजीज, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, कोलेस्ट्रॉल एंड ऑल दैट कंट्रोल करता है। ट्रैफिक का कोई पंगा होता है जब आप साइकिल पे जाते हो? नो? ओके, एनी मोर एडवांटेजेस ऑफ साइकिल? Am I mute or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes ma'am, I'm mute.
No, ma'am.
Okay, drawbacks क्या हो सकते हैं साइकिल के, बताइए।
Yeah.
One can get late if he or she needs to reach somewhere urgently.
अर्जेंटली, तो इमरजेंसी केसेस में सुटेबल नहीं है, एज वेल एज लॉन्ग जर्नी के लिए सुटेबल नहीं है।
Yes.
सो लॉन्ग जर्नी के लिए नॉट सुटेबल है, अनसुटेबल है, and in case of emergency it's not suitable, right? If you are in hurry, so that couldn't be a feasible one for you. What about if I have to carry goods and all? Is it possible to carry goods, और पीछे मेरे को एक और कैरी करना है बंदा एक, तो can I do that?
No, ma'am.
So in terms of comfort, it's not comfortable, right? अगर आपका वेदर खराब हो गया, एडवर्स वेदर है, लेट्स से इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग ऑल ऑफ सडन, राइट, या फिर अगर आपका बहुत ज़्यादा सनी है, तो यू कैन बी कंफर्टेबल देयर, राइट? इवन सीट्स का तो छोड़ो, यू कैन राइड फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम, सो दैट कुड बी ऑल्सो अ प्रॉब्लम विद द बाइसिकल। और क्या हो सकता है एडवर्स वेदर कंडीशंस के अलावा? व्हाट अबाउट जो आजकल के यूथ है जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीड चाहिए, तो वहाँ पे भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो है, तो नॉर्मली यूथ इसको तो कभी नहीं प्रेफर करेंगे। एंड शो ऑफ करना, स्टेटस सिंबल जो होता है आज के टाइम में, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू, सो यू कैन गो ऑन अ बाइसिकल अटेंडिंग अ वेडिंग पार्टी, राइट, और एनीवेयर, So that could be like in many society. I wouldn't say that in Western society, but yeah, in certain society, the car has been associated as a part of a status symbol. So in that situations, what happened? People would definitely prefer to have their own expensive or luxurious car rather than traveling by bicycle
Bicycle.
in certain societies. So these are the disadvantages. So I do feel that they have a clear advantages too as well as disadvantages too. तो दोनों point हमने discuss कर लिया है. Finally we'll be giving an opinion, right? कि although to conclude जैसे हम लिखते हैं, although cycle क्या करता है हमें environment protect कर रहा है, ठीक है, as well as inexpensive है, low maintenance require करता है, but emergency and long journey के लिए ये बिल्कुल भी feasible नहीं है. So I believe that cycle do have clearly more advantages, but in certain cases like medical emergency or long tour, the car could be preferred by the masses. But definitely for the short journey, cycle जो है is the ultimate choice, right? Fine is the best option for the people we have. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's have a look at the sample answer. What does it say? And there are a lot of good vocabulary today that you can definitely make a note and make sure that you use it in the next writings. I don't find much problem in your writing. There are only few students who write like are like obviously they are good in terms of grammar but thoda sa elaborative part missing hai, but you guys all are good except Kirandeep jo kabhi nahi sunti hai meri advice. Rest are doing good. So this is the sample answers. Just have a look.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, let's check answers. I'm sorry, not answers, the second slide.
Done, ma'am.
Take a screenshot of these words and you can learn it later on and we can switch to the speaking then.
No.
Is it done? चलें क्यू कार्ड
Yes,
पे?
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
आज जिसका प्रिपेयर है वो मुझे पहले सुना सकता है, रेस्ट कैन
Ma'am.
कंटिन्यू.
May I?
Okay, Tina, start.
Well, lectures are one of the best ways in modern days to transfer knowledge to the people. Many professors and teachers give lectures in the different fields to encourage the students to have them in the education.
Tina, you are not audible, dear. Just set your earphones or be close to the mic.
Now it is clear.
Speak up.
Well, lectures are one of the best ways in modern days to transfer knowledge to the people. Many professors and teachers give lectures in different fields to encourage the students in the streams of education. I have also attended many of the lectures. One such memorable day was when I was attending a lecture that was delivered in my school auditorium by our director, sir. It took place when I was in a 12th standard. It was just a half year past. It held in September. And then it held after a week year ago. We all assembled in an auditorium. The lecture was from a teacher who was a part of a career counseling team, and she advised the student that what to do and what not to do. And she covered many of the detailed and covered many of the topics such as career possibilities, options for higher studies, and the student might face a problem and how to overcome that. And he discussed various types of issues that there are 20% of the students actually doesn't know what to do in their futures. And he also discussed about the 80% of the students, and remaining 30% of the students want a bright future. And I was really shocked that I even haven't not prepared about my career dream. But after listening to his lectures, I made my plan for the career. I set my goal. He started with informing about us various career opportunities and the path to follow to achieve success. Moving on to and then he spoke about how to overcome the various types of issues. It covered a lot of ideas, and they were very informative. I actually got impressed by the lectures and took it with a better understanding. And it was a very delightful experience for me. Thank you.
Okay, it was good. No errors.
No, okay.
Who will speak next?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah.
Okay. So, well, I have heard many motivational speeches and interesting lectures on different occasions by different people. And here I'd like to talk about, I'll like to take this opportunity to talk about a motivational speech delivered by Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari. I heard last year, around the month of February or March, I heard the speech on YouTube, and I like the way he motivates the masses. And Sandeep Maheshwari is a name among millions who struggled, failed, and surged ahead in search of success and happiness. So till now, I had a bunch of unclear dreams and blurred vision of my life goals. So he gives free life-changing seminars and sessions, and no wonder that people connect with him. So the speech that I heard was about how we need to resign from our comfort zone in order to succeed in today's era. And he quotes that he says, and I quote that learn from everyone but follow no one. So I think it was interesting because at the time when I heard his speech, I
was feeling very low in my career, even though I'm only 21 years old, but I have been working since I was 18. So uh, being in a private sector, there was no growth, and I felt very low seeing other people of my age going to regular colleges and enjoying their lives. So Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari motivated me a lot, and I laid out my plans for future.
Okay, it was good. And why you think it was interesting? Can you just say that point? It's missing. So
Yes, I think it was interesting in the way that he motivates people, because he himself has seen many ups and downs in his career, and it is just interesting how the way he talks can motivate the masses. He can like influence a lot of people.
okay, fair. Okay, let's move on. No, follow रहने देते हैं. अच्छा है बस, that's sufficient. Who's left next? Prachi, आप हो तो you can just speak up
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Okay,
Can I
Prachi,
start, ma'am?
go on.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
please start. कीजिए.
Well, a lot of things in my life, but the most interesting about a ghost story strange and surrounded by forest. And during the night time, we all were discussing about ghosts. My best friend Jay told me a story she heard from her grandfather. The story was about a family who went to a new house in a new locality. The house was in front of an abandoned house, which was empty for many years. The family completed and her parents. Well, the room of the girl was in front of the window of the abandoned house. And suddenly, during the night time, when she saw out of her window, she saw her own reflection in the abandoned. She got very curious about whom she saw in the abandoned house, exactly like her. She used to watch the girl who looks like her in the abandoned house every day. One fine day, she went into the house to visit the girl, but when she entered the house, the door suddenly closed and she got stuck there. But the most interesting part was that the girl who was a ghost came to her house in place of her. After a few days, the girl's parents used to watch certain changes in her. Her mother got an idea that she was not her daughter, and she took her test by giving her a doll. She was very happy to see the doll, but her mother knew that she hates the doll. But her mother made a plan and took her in the car with herself away from her home. She locked her in the car and told her that her daughter hated the doll that she gifted her. The ghost came in her original attire, and the mother burned the
All right.
car with the ghost.
Okay.
The
Okay.
mother
Okay, okay, Prachi. Okay. Please एक बार topic देखिए.
interesting talk or lecture you have heard.
Yeah, exactly. It should be a lecture or a talk, right? Not a story.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I
Right?
got it.
Who was the speaker, when and where you heard it, what it was all about. थोड़ा सा बताना and why you feel it is interesting or motivating. So you have to focus on that, not narrating the whole story. आपके 2 minutes हो गए, you are just saying the story. So try to be specific with the topic. Cool?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, हाँ जी, next कौन है?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए start कीजिए.
Yes, ma'am. In my life, I met a lot of people, and no doubt I'm a very talkative girl, and I always try to speak and conversation with different kind of people, because it is very good way to know their culture, tradition, and customs. But today I would like to talk about an interesting conversation that I have heard. So last month before, I went I went our relatives' home, and when we all family members came back, we suffered. We by the train. In the train, I surprisingly next to me, beside me, one person sit and he's a doctor. After delivering, after exchanging the dialogues, I knew that he's a doctor, and I have a strong headache at the same day, and also I have a leg pain because of carrying a lot of luggage with me. So he told me that it's my earlier age, and it's not a good thing that for the little things I don't tolerate. So because also he shared some things that he had also a very major accident, and after that he didn't stop their work and sacrifices. He also I according to my perspective, it is not only excellent, also very encourage and strength conversation for me. And after this conversation, I inspired and encouraged a lot. He also told me that life is full of sacrifices, and it is not stopped by doing these kind of things. So why I think that it is interesting, because it gives me a lot of inspiration, courage and strength, and also I feel happy and enthusiasm after talking with him.
ऑलराइट फाइन. प्रोनाउंसिएशन आज इतना खराब क्यों था? सारे लास्ट वर्ड स्ट्रेस करे जा रहे हो. ठीक है, ध्यान दीजिए इसका.
जी.
He didn't stop. He didn't stop. Did और relative लग गया, so that is obviously past. Stop करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, so he didn't stop. I inspired. I was inspired. ठीक है, आपने किसी को नहीं, I was inspired. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Enthusiasm बोल के देखिए.
Enthusiasm.
चलो ठीक है, you can mute. Next कौन है? Okay, those who are done with the speaking might leave the meeting so that it will be easy for us to distinguish the students. Okay, Deepika, you are done, beta? Okay, Harjinder, you can start. Again, आपका target 2 minutes होगा. Content को मेरे को इतना matter नहीं करता. You have to speak in English for 2 minutes. That's what I need. Start
Okay,
करो.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Mostly I attend the lecture in my college today. In present day, I am remember those lecture because that lecture interesting me. I am so much impressed by his lecture. After I listen, the lecture was absolutely an eye opener for me. Speech is delivered by my sir. He's the best speaker in our college. When he delivered the speech, his gesture, face expression, very amazing. All the students are listen their speech very interesting way. In my college day, all the students are very dismotivated of the college atmosphere and study related problem. Some of the teacher are not good behavior with the students. Some of student leave the some students are thinking about the leave the college. One day sir collect the student in the campus. All the students are sir nature, so all the students are came to the campus and attend the lecture very carefully. When he start the lecture, student fully pay the attention. He continue and told the student why you gave up in our why you gave up in our life. Problems are part of life. We are challenged the life to face the problem. In college had any other issues with the management. The students are, and students are there are no issue with the students. So uh, so do not pay the attention you study, because you pay the fully year fees. It's your right to continue your study, and it's your right to do the very well, because and also he told that the students don't problems are comes and problems are and students are very impressed to hear the listen his lecture, and they decided to they do not leave the college, and they want to concentrate on their studies. Doesn't matter what is the issue between the management and the other teachers. And that speech is
Okay,
very
ठीक है. It's more than 2 minutes. No worries. सही है.
okay, ma'am.
ग्रामर पे प्लीज ध्यान दीजिए, ठीक है. वाई, यू, आर, नो, ऑल, आर, नो, हेल्पिंग वर्ड ज्यादा लगा रहे हैं जिसकी जरूरत नहीं है. तो ग्रामर पार्ट पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए, ठीक है. और कुछ
Okay,
भी
ma'am.
नहीं है, ग्रामर थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I start? I had network issues, that's why.
All right, no problem. Start.
Um, I have attended many interesting lectures, but today I would like to share a very good lecture that I have watched yesterday only on the YouTube. It is about the lecture was given by a very popular motivational speaker. His name is Abhinav Bindra. He's a very great speaker of India. Yesterday only I have watched his video on the YouTube, and he always comes. The interesting thing about him is that he is a very energetic and full of enthusiasm. The ideas of his lectures are very much factual. The ideas are based on the Bhagavad Gita and mostly inspired from the popular uh, speaker of India, Chanakya ji. And he always comes up with the innovative ideas related to the business. Like he always gives very new, interesting strategies to the emerging entrepreneurs. I usually watch his videos on the YouTube. Like I have subscribed his channel, so regularly I watch his videos, because the way the body language he uses to while delivering the lecture is very much interesting, worth watching. And he always whenever he speaks, uh, audience gets fully energized. So I always find his lectures very much interesting. So I always keep a watch whenever his new lecture is about to release on YouTube.
दीपिका, कितने कन्विंस हो
Ma'am,
अपने आंसर से?
मैम मुझे ऑर्डर नहीं पता चलता किस ऑर्डर.
देखो, पहले तो स्टार्ट करना है इंटरेस्टिंग टॉक. तो पहले इंटरेस्टिंग टॉक पे बोलना है, ठीक है. या लेक्चर्स है, सो लेक्चर पे बोलना है, ठीक है. सो इन माय लाइफ आई हैव अटेंडेड अ लॉट ऑफ lectures, right? maybe from my school through the college, and even while I'm working, I have to attend a lot of seminars where a lot of people do give me lectures about the trainings and different other programs which is going on in my organization. Here I would like to talk about, or I would like to narrate an interesting lecture that I have attended in the recent time, and that was organized in one of my nearest, आपने बता दिया जो भी प्लेस है, एंड इट वाज अ लेक्चर व्हिच वाज गिवन बाय द एचओडी, और जो भी था आपका एचओडी नहीं था तो सीईओ ऑफ माय कंपनी मिस्टर XYZ. Though, as I already mentioned, that it was in the nearby hotels, and the name of the hotel is, we all the company members were invited to go there. It was all about how to, अब कुछ भी आपका टॉपिक हो सकता है, ठीक है, and he just it was about, let's say it was about the stress management, and seeing as the company's performance or employees performance was decreasing, and the main reason discovered for this was the growing stress. So he just tried to release, and he just shared the tips of decreasing the stress among the employees, and he just also talked about the different kind of welfare schemes that are being launched by the companies, and so you can just talk about that. जो भी है फिर अब आपने सारा कुछ सीक्वेंस में नैरेट कर देना है, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
तो पहले थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन और फिर आपने अपने टॉपिक पे जाना.
मेन मेरे इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम रहती है मैम कि मेरे जो गैप्स हैं ये जो
देखो अभी तो आप,
ग्रामेटिकली
मुझे
तो
क्या लगता है ग्रामेटिकली भी है, आइडियाज आपकी, मतलब आप खुद ही कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होते तो फिर मुझे भी नहीं लगता है, ठीक है?
ओके. ओके मैम.
ठीक है, तो आप खुद कॉन्फिडेंस हो गए, सो आई विल बी मोर कन्विंस. सो ग्रामेटिकल पार्ट इज ओके, बट या इट शुड बी grammatically perfect, as well as the content should be in the flow. It shouldn't be like you are collecting the thoughts, you are just distracted, फिर आप जबरदस्ती टाइम पूरा कर रहे हो, ठीक है? ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? चलिए कुल स्टार्ट. किरणदीप स्टार्ट कीजिए.
I would like to talk about the many different interesting lectures. The interesting lecturer speaker on my teacher Miss Amandeep Kaur lecture. The lecture held a few years ago. Decided to go to the cinema, celebrate on this day. The lecturer is the prayer of the wood, and the lecture is reflected to the woods. The wood is used to man from birth to death. Trees provide shade in summer and easy travelers. The wood is used to both furniture, buildings, and the lecture is very interesting. The wood is don't use electrical machine.
ऑलराइट, मुझे तो वैसे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया, बट ठीक है. चलो, I'm just closing the meeting. Good night.
Good night.